Welcome to the new episode of BCD Tech. In this episode, I will show you the unboxing and quick review of S-View cover for Samsung Galaxy Note 3. I am Dr. BC and you are watching BCD Tech. This is Samsung S-View cover for Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now, in this video, I will show you the unboxing and quick review of this S-View cover. As you will see that this S-View cover is only meant for Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and this is your Indian market version and it is manufactured in October 2013 with a maximum retail price of 3,299 rupees. Now, as you can see that it is a white in color and you can answer and reject call with this S-View cover. Now I am quickly unboxing this box. The first thing that you can find inside this box is S-View cover itself, that is nice wrapped in this plastic case. Now as you can see that this is your Samsung S-View cover for Galaxy Note 3. Now I will peel off this back plastic and this front plastic, that is sticker that is placed on your glass. Now as you can see that design is very premium. You will feel a leather like stuff on the outside of this cover. Now you also find there is a actual thread stitching on the edges of this cover which feel very nice. Now as you can see that there is a sensor on the back of this S cover. As you can see that this sensor is used in detecting this S cover. Now I will show you the parts inside this sensor. As you can see that this sensor takes out very nicely. As you can see that the model number of this PCB from the back side you will find that is VERO.4W29 and the IC number is 171742388A1. There is a positive sign on the first pin of this IC. Now I will show you how to place back this sensor. Just mark the sensor, that is IC, downward and place it back to your S cover. Now it is ready to use. Now I will show you the position of magnet. This here position where there is a magnet. I will show you by this iron clip as it is attracted at this end of your S-View cover. Now with the help of this back sensor and this magnet you can use this S-View cover with your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now I will put this S-View cover on my Samsung Galaxy Note 3. It is very easy. Just place it on your S-View cover and gently press from all of this side. Now on first time use you will select the color option of this S window. I am just selecting this orange color. Now I will move toward the quick review of this S-View cover. As you can see that this S-View cover unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now I am locked. Now it is unlocked by this S-View cover. So S-View cover can be used to unlock your Note 3. Now you will find a small gap on the front side of this S-View cover which will make this menu button shape, which can make this menu button not to be pressed accidentally by this S-View cover, which is very pretty. Now I will show you the main home screen. You will find there is two home screen. This is home screen 2 and that is your home screen 1. This is your home screen 2 and that is your home screen 1. Here we can find the clock and I will show you what you can add to this first home screen. Just go to accessory and then go to this S menu. Here you can switch between the color, and in the third option you will find a weather widget that you can add to your first home screen. You can also add walking mate on your first home screen. You can also switch between automatic unlock and with your S View cover. Now you can see the notification on the top of this S window. Now I will show you the pen performance. As you can see that this pen is detected by this through this S window. Now I will open this S memo to take my notes. You can also add various number of pages here. Now just saving this. And second application on this S window is the camera application. From that you can take picture. You can also switch between this automatic to flash mode. You can also move towards your gallery application through that window. Now just press close to close this application, or press your power button to go back. Now the third application is the simple music player. That is your first home screen with clock and weather and walk mode widget install. Now as you can see that I can also answer or reject call directly through this window. As you can also switch between mute and loudspeaker mode, and you can also increase the volume through the side plus and negative button on your S View cover. Now you can see the notification directly on your S View cover through that window. When any notification come, like I have got a missed call, you get a extra home screen. That is your home screen 1, that is your home screen 2, and on the first you get a notification home screen. Here you can see all the notification that's contained a missed call, messages or emails, etc. Now as you can see that this S cover runs out from your Note 3 edges, which give a extra bit protection to your Note 3. As you can see that the camera is now inside this back panel, so it is safe. Now you will feel a very premium touch with your S View cover. It is quite light, doesn't increase the weight of this your Note 3. Now I will show you the demerit or the coins of this flip cover. As you can see that this flip cover has some problem while folding in the back of this phone, or to place this phone horizontally, and there is no credit card holder on the front of this flip cover. This completed the unboxing and quick review of S View cover. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is flashing on your screen. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.